Night is the most dangerous time, and the mothers need to persuade the reluctant cubs to hide and remain hidden. The mothers can't stay with the cubs. As the pride's best hunters, they're needed elsewhere. Lions hunt cooperatively. They run at the herds of impala and puku, hoping to find a weaker individual. Sickness or injury is quickly punished in the African wilderness. The antelope are fast, built to avoid cheetahs. Buffalo are like tanks, slower, but it takes the whole hunting team to bring one down. Few hunts succeed. The buffaloes just canter away. While the females hunt, the two brothers roar out their ownership of their 25-square-mile territory, broadcasting their strength to rival lions. Roars also intimidate other predators, particularly hyenas. The clan lives in a lion-proof den. A babysitter stays behind while the clan goes hunting. The lion cubs have nobody to guard them. With so much chaos, they may panic and scatter. That's very risky with the resident leopard out hunting. She's able to move so quietly that even impala and puku can't detect her. Leopards and lions are rivals, attacking each other's cubs whenever they can. In the cool of the night, hippos come out of the river to graze, stirring up a cloud of insects for the bats. The hyenas have found some of the lion pride enjoying the remains of a warthog. The lionesses are away hunting, the dominant males roaring, and the cubs hiding. What remains are the teenagers, yearlings to 4-year-olds. Pride and clans skirmish over scraps. The hyenas back down. At dawn, the hippos leave the busy plains for the cool safety of the river. The little misfit is in the hiding place, alone. It's been a night of drama. The 5 other cubs are scattered. Halfway across the river are 2 of the missing cubs. This is no man's land and very dangerous. The 2 mothers are out searching and have found the male twin. Leaving him alone on the bank, his mother sets out to rescue his sister and a younger cousin. They are halfway into another pride's territory. Fortunately, there's no sign of the neighbors. She leads them back to safety. It's so easy for cubs to wander off and run into trouble in the dark. Curiosity and courage may have led them astray. All the cubs are found. They've had their big adventure, learnt their lesson. Except for one, the little loner, who just stayed where he was put.